Hello guys, in this video I'll show you an offer released by Amazon Web Services. They have this coding agent Kiro, Kirodev. So it's specifically for students. They are giving a discount and 1,000 credits you can get for totally free of Kiro Pro plan. You can get that plan for totally free if you are a student. Simply open this URL in the browser kiro.dev/students. So if you directly open this URL, the notice is right here, Kiro for students, and you can, if you prove that you are a student, then you can get 1,000 credits every month for totally free for 1 year. So for that you need to verify that you are a student, and for verifying it you click on this button sign up and verify. So you have four options. You can actually log in with your Google account, GitHub account. So let me log in with a Google account right here. So after that, as you see, they have this plan right here, which is Kiro Pro plan. So by default in the free plan, you get 50 credits in the free plan, as you see that. So they do have the Pro plan as well. So that Pro plan is specifically free for students, as you see right here. And for that, you need to prove that you are a student. So they are given these instructions and eligibility criteria that what qualifies that you are a student. So right here, you need to submit your student email. So they specifically tell you if you don't see your school listed out, you can submit your email address, student email address, and click on submit to actually submit this. So once you log in, as you see, sign up and verify. You need to verify your student status. After signing in, you will be taken to your account usage page. If you are a student at an eligible university, you will see you are eligible for Kiro student banner. So if you are a student and you log in, you will see a banner. They specifically tell you, if you go to the settings page, if you are a student, then you will see this a banner on the top of the page that you are qualifying it. So then you need to click on that banner and click on verify your student status, and you need to click the verify button and complete a quick verification through the share ID. So it will just take 2 minutes to verify. So after that you can actually get 1,000 credits per month for a 1 full year of Kiro Pro plan. So no credit card is required, so you can even connect with other students as well. So they also have a Discord channel you can join where all the students are present discussing about Kiro. So you can join this Discord channel where other students are also there. You can chat about it, whether it's free or not, whether it's real or not. So you can join their Discord channel as well. So come to this website kiro.dev.students. In this way, you can actually get a Kiro Pro plan for 1 year for totally free. I've shown you the step-by-step instruction. You need to sign up, and if you are a student, you will see a banner. Then you need to verify your student status and start collecting 1,000 credits per month. So in this way, you can do this. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.